Guys, nandito na naman ako sa labas. Eto, ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung surroundings. Ito yung park namin. Look. And this is our swimming pool. Charles, that's swimming pool. It's only, I don't know for what is that. Dito man tayo sa labas. Kasi si Lola nag-coffee sila with her niece. And then, andito muna ako sa labas magpapainit. Kailangan ko ng vitamin D. I'm always only in our house. It's you know, I'm so maputla na dahil lalo lang ako sa bahay. This is so nice. Look, I don't know what is this. Pasensya na kayo sa ingay kasi nandito ako sa park ng aming building. Pwede kang maupo habang nagpapainit. That is our building. It's so tall. It's our building. It's yeah. Yeah, magpapainit muna tayo. Yung pusa nandun, no. Ay, hindi nyo makita yung pusa pala. Kasi, malayo siya. Ayun, nakikita niya na siya. Hala, dadaan yung Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, wow! Sana someday makainom na ulit ako ng soft drinks. Yung aming building. Yan yung mga building dito. Nagtataas ang mga building. Building. Nagtataasan yung mga building. Ito yung U2. Ay, hindi makita yung U. Ito yung U2. Yun ang U1. Okay, ito ang Manhattan Tower, and then I don't know the others, but they are also building. Chok. Okay, goodbye guys, take care, God bless.